All right, so now I'm going to show you how to set up an Amazon seller account. You're going to need some things like a government ID. You're going to need your business formation documents. So make sure you have that set up. And then you're going to either need an EIN or a social security number. So an EIN is like the social security number for a business. It's like the tax identification number for a business. You can easily get one of those on the IRS website. And then you'll need an email and a phone number. Getting an actual Amazon seller account can actually be difficult. I've seen many people get rejected. I have not gotten rejected personally, but I've seen people get rejected for a variety of reasons. And so they just basically want to make sure that you're a real person, that you're not like scamming people, and that you are who you say you are. So sometimes you'll have to get on a call, or you'll have to do some like face identification or other forms of verification. Like sometimes they'll mail something to you to verify that you actually are at that mailing address. So it is a stringent verification process in some cases. I think I just opened up an Amazon seller account a little while ago and I got approved, I think within a day. So for most people, you can get in pretty quickly. But if you do see some roadblocks, don't worry, you can get through them. It might just take a little bit of time.